Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone XS and replace the battery. To disassemble iPhone XS, you need the following tools: screwdriver set, tweezers, plastic mediator, opening plastic tool, suction cup for removing display. In description of this video I leave links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the lighting port. Using a hairdryer, heat the surface of display for 1 minute. It will make it easier to separate the display from the iPhone case. Apply a suction cup to the bottom edge of display and pull up on the ring. Push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. Now carefully separate the display from the iPhone case. Open iPhone by swinging the display to the right side like cover of a book. Next, unscrew the 4 screws on the metal panel using a tri-wing screwdriver and 1 screw using a PH00 screwdriver. Now you can remove the metal panel. Disconnect the battery cable from the main board and 3 cables of the display. Now you can remove the display. To replace the battery on iPhone XS, you need to remove the speaker and Taptic engine. Unscrew 5 screws and remove the antenna module. Remove that screw between the Taptic engine and the speaker. Remove the metal bracket and disconnect the cable. Now carefully peel off the cable from the speaker. Please note the speaker glued to the case, and if you want to save the adhesive tape, which can be reused during assembly, heat with a hairdryer and carefully peel the speaker from the iPhone case. Now you can remove the speaker. Unscrew 2 screws on the Taptic engine, disconnect the cable, and now you can remove the Taptic engine from the iPhone case. Take the tweezers and peel off the edge of adhesive tape from the battery. Slowly pull one adhesive tape away from the battery. In the same order, remove the remaining 3 tapes from under the battery. Now you can remove the battery from the iPhone case. In the description under the video I leave links where you can buy new battery for iPhone XS. The new battery is should glued in a specially designated place on the surface of iPhone XS case. Set Taptic engine into the case and connect the cable. Next, fasten 2 screws to the Taptic engine. Set the speaker into the case. Connect cable between the Taptic engine and the speaker. Then set the metal bracket and fasten screw on the top. Install the antenna module and fasten 5 screws. Now you can install the display and test how phone works before final assembly with gluing the iPhone case. Connect 3 cables from the display module to the mainboard and only after that connect the battery cable. Turn on the iPhone and let's check how everything works. If the iPhone works well, the next step is final assembly with gluing. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. Using medicine alcohol, wipe the surface of iPhone housing where old tapes was located. Now take new adhesive tape and apply to the case. With this tape you save waterproof resistance of your iPhone. I leave link in the description where you can buy this adhesive tape. Connect 3 cables from the display to mainboard and only after that connect the battery cable to the mainboard. Set metal panel and fasten 5 screws. Turn over the display and press down the display around the perimeter of surface. Fasten 2 screws near the lighting port, and now you can turn on the iPhone and use it. Good luck!